Alrighty, we've got that marinade done. I've tasted it, but I'm gonna give it another taste. Very rich, deep flavor for those peppers and all. So here we go. We're gonna pour it over our chicken. I'm gonna give it a stir. Get them good and coated. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna put these in the refrigerator and let them marinate overnight. Look at that beautiful, beautiful color. Alrighty, so we'll take that leftover, freeze it, and use it for some other recipe later on down the road. Alright, let's put her in the fridge. See you tomorrow.